Here we have our kettle conversion kit lineup by S&S. Now they all look pretty similar, but they all do have a wheelhouse or a primary purpose that they just do better than the other. Let's run you through them. First up, we have the roasting conversion kit. So this is an S&S original basket and porcelain coated roasting pan. You can do a bit of low and slow smoking with this as well by putting your pan in a different format, but it is non-stick, which is its primary purpose, so it's a fantastic roasting pan. From there, we move up to the S&S Deluxe basket and stainless steel griddle. So obviously stainless steel griddle can put up with quite a flogging, good for very long cooks, perfect for your low and slow smoking. Removable water pan is if you want to go for either moisture or you want to go for more capacity, you can just pop it out. So it gives you a bit of extra versatility with that basket. And lastly, we have the cast iron variant, still using the S&S Deluxe basket with that removable pan, but this is just one big heavy slab of cast iron. This is for your searing, your high heat cooks to get your lovely crust on your steaks, where you will be taking that water pan out and putting this straight on top, matching the same shape.